My dear friends, namaste, welcome back on my channel. And therefore, I have to come again for a new message, and that's a beautiful, beautiful way to talk to you and connect to you all. So, let's see what all messages wants to pop up right now. What is the current energy? What's the current energy? What's going on? Okay, the current energies. Thank you so much, Divine. Guide me for one more. Thank you so much. Okay, I see lot of people having lot of musical head right now, and you have a lot of fire in you going on. You are connecting to the divine, and you are getting lot of messages. You are a new way. You are on a new path. You have just recently started this path. The call of universe is with you, and let's see what's happening. Okay. So when this call have come, there are a lot of people who have started to emotionally drain you, and they have started to sit on your head, like they are like they want you to understand, as this you are a person who is on the new path right now. Okay, you are started to connect to the divine, and you love divine messages. You love the nature, you love enjoying outside, you roam around, and you want to make new friends, take new challenges in life, want to take new opportunities in life, and you want to have your own ground. You want to do a lot of self development, self investment into a lot of new projects. A lot of career thing is also coming, I see. So lot of new ambitions you have, and you really feel like whatever you are going to invest into, it's going to be, very fruitful, and you are really into whatever you are doing. And because you are enjoying what you are doing, your heart chakra is getting healed, and you feel lot of satisfaction whenever you do that. And you're with that satisfaction, your ego boosts up, with a positive ego that yes, I can do it. You have all the positive affirmations all over your place. Okay, but now what is happening, there are people who are emotionally draining your energy, what I see here. And they want you all to work according to what they are telling you or guiding you. They are making you feel that they are more experienced people, and they have more experience in their life, and they want you to work according to their will. And they are right now, these people are unaware that the divine will is something else, and the divine works according to their own divine will, and it's nothing to do with their you know personal wills. So divine has a different chapter. You are into your own ambition. You are into your fresh new path. You want to achieve, you want to walk to a fresh new path, something which everyone is not aware of. So obviously it's going to be very difficult to make everyone understand what you think, how you think, and how you want to proceed in your life. Still, you respect these people, these elders in your life, and you don't want to hurt them either. Emotionally, you don't want them to be hurt. So this kind of thing I see is happening. So now this card is a very magical card right now. Why this has come? Because now it's your time to stop looking back to their hurt emotions. Why? Because as they being an adult, they have their own traumas to uh, heal, or their own traumas uh, to suffer, their own traumas. They have been guided to through their own traumas by the divine, so that they learn their own lessons. So there are so many points attached to this this place where they are sitting. So this place is not only their throne, but this place is the entire community they are connected to, the leadership quality they have because of their community. And this speaks a lot about these people. And therefore this card plays a very magical role, as if now you don't have to look back to their to your hold up emotions. You need to have that fire in you. See, now the King of Cups is in reverse here. So you have to withdraw your emotions, your overburdened emotions from there, because these overburdened emotions are not letting you go, or walk on your path, or your new way, whatever you are discovering. It's becoming a blockage, so you have to remove that blockage. So now what should you do? What's coming next? How can you remove this blockage? Because emotionally we cannot say anything bad to these elders. We have to still respect, we have to have our own voice. So but still we have to have our own voice. So how to handle this situation is what we will go deeper. And very shaky energy, because I see lot of people getting resonated through this reading, and therefore I want you to press like button so that I feel comfortable while doing next readings. And yes, please press like buttons, my dear friends. Even I do when I watch you all on your YouTube channel. So yes. uh, okay, so what's next, coming next? Okay, yeah, so I have the cards. It's the Moon, Strength, and this is King of Swords. Okay, so you need to be very, very clear, crystal clear in your ideas, whatever path you want to pursue. Because these people here I see as your guardians, are providing you strength. They are providing you strength. There is a different perspective towards looking at them. That was your perspective. But what angels are telling you right now, what angels' messages are for you, is you need to balance. Because of this emotional, this can be your energy also in the form of your elders. They are giving you a reflection of what you want to see, or what divine wants you to see. It's a reflection. They are the reflection of your path. And they are kind of an strength. They are providing you with an ancestral strength, or some kind of lineage they are providing you, as if you are the one chosen one for it. And you need to behave like this. You cannot only see the unhealthy part of yourself. You need to see your skills. You need to get into that commitment to be on the path. So your fire should be there. A lot of happiness coming. And see, I can see Page of Swords also. So a King of Swords, Page of Swords. Wow. So a lot of characters are playing role in your life. And so there is a healing required. What kind of a healing is required for you all? So these cards are connecting automatically to your reading. So I am not choosing, I have so many decks, but the decks are choosing you guys. The decks are choosing you, and they are giving your messages. So take it, what this monology deck wants to tell you, my viewers. Connect. What do you need to release? Warning moon. So yes, there is something you really need to release, or it is being a negative perspective, or it's being unclear, or it's being a fight with your elders, or it's being your overthinking patterns. So you need to heal, my dear friends. So this is the message. And bottom of the deck is you're very close to achieve your goals. So now I think this reading is coming to an end, and I want you all to again remind you for pressing a like button. I know there is a lot of messages you want from this reading, and there are a lot, but this is not a personal reading. And for personal readings, you can get paid reading. It's a paid reading, and you can get your confirmation done, like with the help of 500 rupees energy exchange. And uh, and this is a very beautiful group of people I see here. You all have started working on yourself, and therefore the divine will give you lot of beautiful messages, and through my channel. And so I want your commitment, and so therefore you should subscribe my channel. And let's meet in the next reading. Till then, take care, bye bye, and all the best on your journey with me.